Hello, my lovely YouTubers. So, as you guys can tell from the title above, this will be a review on the new Gillette Venus and Olay razor for women. I was sent this by an amazing company called Influencer. Thank you so much to them for giving me the opportunity to try this product. This is my own personal opinion, and I will probably be repurchasing this product with my own money. I do really like this product, and I recommend it to all my friends, and I recommend it to all of you guys to give it a try. And now I'm going to tell you why. So first off, let's talk about my legs in particular. I get razor burn like no other. I cannot dry shave. I cannot shave using bar soap. I cannot shave using lotion. I cannot shave at the beginning of my shower. I have to have my legs running under water for, a good few minutes before I can even attempt to shave without getting razor burn. So I was very hesitant to try a new razor first off and to try a product like this. And this product is unique in the sense that you don't use shaving cream with this product. So I was really hesitant to try this. So let's get started on what this actually is. So this arrived in this package, well, in a box, and this is what the packaging looks like. And it came in 3 parts. It comes with a handle, which looks pretty much just like every other, Venus handle. The top and the bottom is actually really squishy and like comfortable to hold in the shower. It has a really nice grip, so you're not kind of like sliding all over the place. It also came with a cartridge. This was individually wrapped. It only came with one, so I did use this one. Sorry. But this just snaps in like any other razor. And what's unique about this particular Venus is the bars on the top and the bottom. The bars were fuller, obviously, before I used them. They were a lot bigger. But this is after several uses, and as you can tell, there's still a lot of product there. The razor is still, sharp. It's not rusted at all. It's pretty clean. And then it also came with this lovely little holder that you just, stick on the side of your shower. Tip for girls that live in like apartments or dorms that have like textured shower walls that you can't attach these things to, attach it to like the faucet or like the fixture that you turn the water on. That's where I stick mine because my walls are textured, so this won't stay, but it sticks perfectly right where you like turn the shower on and off. So this just kind of like chills in there like that in my shower, and I love it. It's so convenient. So let's talk a little bit more about what this product actually is. These 2 bars are moisturizing bars, and they act as your shaving cream and also kind of as your lotion. I noticed when I use this razor, not only is it a comfortable shave, but after my legs don't feel, super dry, they feel smooth, they feel like I used a shaving cream. The thing that I absolutely love about this razor is it cuts my shaving time like almost in half because I don't have to deal with, okay, where's my shaving cream? Okay, I need to get the shaving cream on, put the shaving cream on my leg, find my razor, run my razor underwater, and then start shaving. It cuts all of that time out, which for me is like a huge time saver, especially with summer coming up. Like something like this is great, especially if you're traveling. If you are traveling, making sure you have all of your hair accoutrements and your body wash and your serum for your hair and your shampoo and your conditioner and your razor and extra cartridges and your shaving cream and your toothpaste, all of that stuff like adds up. And I know I always end up with like a huge bag of stuff in my carry-on or in my my luggage rather. But something like this can totally just cut down on that. You don't have to have like a huge bottle of shaving cream. You can just grab this with maybe like an extra cartridge. If you're going on a cruise, going on vacation, going to a friend's house, it's perfect. You don't have to worry, about always having shaving cream. It's also great to leave at like your boyfriend's house because then you don't have to use his shaving cream because we all know, that shaving cream may not be as moisturizing as the shaving cream that you like. Also that your boyfriend might not have moisturizer to moisturize your legs after shaving, which we all know is very important to keeping stubble away. So this is a great product. I'm most likely going to buy more cartridges. I do find that I get a close shave. As close as I do, I guess, with any razor. I get stubble within like 24 to 48 hours of shaving. And, you know, this doesn't really impact that, but it really does help cutting down my shower time. It makes showering like so much less, or shaving rather, so much less of a hassle. And just like waving this around. I do recommend this. I really think that it's a good product. It's great for people with sensitive skin. And people that like me, like I have to shave every other day. If I want absolutely no stubble, I have to shave every other day. So people that have to shave often, it'll probably save you money too. It's like this little card thing that has all the prices says that it's $8.99 to $10.99. So if you're looking to save a few bucks and you want to try it out, maybe don't buy, you know, like you don't necessarily have to buy like a new like handle. Maybe you just buy the cartridges, because I'm pretty sure this will fit, like these cartridges will fit on any Venus razor. So if you already have a Venus and you just want to try out the cartridges, feel free. You don't need to have like the special handle, though the handle is really awesome. But yeah, whatever works for you, right? So I do recommend this product, and if you've used it before, leave a comment below if you decide to give it a try and you like it, don't like it. You know, feel free to give me your feedback, let me know, and let, you know, my viewers know what you guys think. I hope you find this helpful. You know, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a private message or leave a comment below. I know I've been really inactive on YouTube, but you can also follow me on Twitter if you have more questions. I'm very much active on Twitter. I have the app on my iPhone. I'm on it 24/7. My Twitter handle is uppercase G, uppercase M _ Murphy, MURPHY. You guys can hit me up on there if you have any questions, or leave a comment below. Don't forget to rate and subscribe. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.